You're watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abby Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abby shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hey everyone, this is Abby Chain and welcome to my cooking show, Abby's Golden Girls and Guys. This is great. I'm so happy to see everybody today. Today, my dish that I'm going to make is going to be a snack. And this particular snack you could actually even eat as a side dish. It is called Mexican Keto Deviled Eggs recipe with avocado and bacon. So it contains a lot of really good high fats for your body. It is full of a lot of delicious ingredients, and this is the type of snack where you could bring to a Super Bowl game, you could bring to someone's house just as, an appetizer. Or what I like to do is I love to make deviled eggs and just keep them in my refrigerator, so those times during the day when I'm really hungry and I don't want to go and eat junk food, I'll just pop a deviled egg into my mouth and it's voila, feeling really, really healthy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take 6 eggs and you want to hard boil them for 8 to 9 minutes. And I had already done that earlier today. Then once your eggs are done, you're going to go ahead and peel your eggs and you're going to cut them in half. So they're going to look like this. And what you want to do is you want to just scoop out the egg yolk and you want to put the yolks in a nice bowl. And I've already started to do this earlier. So I'm just going to take the yolks out and I'm going to go and put my egg whites on a separate dish. So make sure that you have a nice big bowl handy because you have a lot of ingredients that are going to go into it. Okay, so here I have my egg yolks. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado. So I already measured out my avocado. I just scooped it out and I measured 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of just regular mayonnaise. Now, a lot of people have this myth that, oh my God, mayonnaise is so fattening. It's not fattening if you use it in moderation, because the whole thing is your body needs a lot of good fat in it in order for it to burn energy. So many people really depend on a lot of carbs for energy, and that's good, but that's glucose. Okay, so when you use a lot of good fats, a lot of times that's what you'll use to burn your energy, and that's how you become leaner. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So I'm going to get my teaspoon out. Let's see. Okay, let me go get another teaspoon in my little drawer over here. All right, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Perfect. I love all the colors. I love all the taste. Okay, and I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of just regular taco seasoning mix, and make sure that you get the salted seasoning mix. Okay, and I'm going to take 3/4 of that and add that to my yolks. Perfect. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold in, I took a tomato, I removed the seeds, and I removed the juice, and I have a 1/2 cup. But the recipe says that I'm just going to add in 1/2 of the tomatoes. But before I do that, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to blend this all together until it is very, very smooth. Oh, it looks very, very, very colorful. I always feel like I'm Betty Crocker. Hello, everybody. This is great. And before I add my tomatoes to this, just a little bit of tomatoes, I'm going to just add a dash of cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of taste, but not too much because this stuff is pretty hot. So I just added a little sprinkles on there. Now, I'm going to take 1/2 of my tomatoes and I'm going to fold it in to this mixture. And I also have 1/4 cup of bacon bits. Now, you could either make your own bacon bits. So what I do is I just fry up my bacon and I chop it really good. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this bacon bit mixture and I'm gonna also add it to my yolks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together. But this looks so tasty. Oh, yum. What I would do is I would just eat this like this, add it to a salad, and now I'm going to go ahead and stuff my eggs. Now, I'm just going to do a few here, but after you go ahead and you stuff your eggs, so I'm going to have 12 because I had 6 eggs, I'm just going to go ahead and take the remaining tomatoes and just top a little bit of a tomato on there. I'm going to take a little bit of my bacon bits and look how pretty my Mexican deviled eggs look. So now for the test. Handsome husband Alan, you want? Oh, I'll do it. Ready? Oh my God. You know what this tastes like? It almost tastes like a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich without the lettuce. Because of the bacon and tomato in here and the mayo, let me tell you, this is delicious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish stuffing these eggs on my own. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator because you could either eat them at room temperature or put them in the refrigerator. And I could tell you right now, tomorrow, I am so excited that I know that I have a healthy snack waiting for me. So I really appreciate you all showing up for my show. Also, if you really liked my show, would you please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Abby's Golden Girls and Guys? So you just have to go to YouTube. And then if you really are interested in my trying my online classes, you could go to vegaro.com/Abby's Golden Girls. Or you could actually email me at abby's.goldengirls@gmail.com. Okay, this will all be written out on the videos. So thank you everyone for attending, and really, you have to make these eggs. They are the best. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vegaro.com/Abby's Golden Girls.